In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to add Claude Code to Replit Agent. By the end, you'll have Claude Code available right inside your Replit project, ready to assist you from the terminal. Start by heading over to Replit in your browser. If you're not already signed in, do that first, then land on your Replit homepage. From there, open the project where you want to enable Claude Code. Give the workspace a second to load so all the tools on the left sidebar appear. On the left, open the Tools and Files area. You should see options like Files, Packages, and Shell. If you don't immediately see Shell, use the search field in that panel to look for it. Click Shell to open a terminal window at the bottom or side of your editor. Now you're in the console, also called the shell. This is a standard Linux command line for your project environment. Anything you install here will be available to your code and to future terminal sessions for this repeal. It's the right place to run the commands we need for Claude Code. Next, switch to a browser tab and search for Claude Code install code. You're looking for the official installation instructions from the publisher or trusted documentation. Open that page and locate the install command that matches Replit's environment, which typically behaves like a Linux system. Always copy commands from a reputable source to avoid running anything unsafe. Return to your Replit shell and paste the installation command you just copied. Press enter and let it run. Depending on your project's resources, the download and setup may take a moment. You'll know it's complete when the terminal returns to a prompt and you see a success or done message. When the install finishes, run the Claude command in the console to start it up and complete the initial setup. You'll be prompted to register your credentials. Follow the on-screen instructions and keep everything secure. If you need to store sensitive tokens for ongoing use, place them in your project's secret or environment variable settings rather than hard coding them in files. Never print or share those values in logs or commits. Once registration completes, Claude Code is ready to assist. If the command shows a help screen or responds without errors, you're good to go. From here, you can start using it in your Replit workflow to speed up coding tasks right from the terminal. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.